This video is about attack helicopters from different countries. HAL Rudra from India. Mitsubishi H-60 from Japan. Sikorsky SH-60S from the United States. Agusta A129 Mangusta from Italy. T129, attack from Turkey. KUH-1 Suryan from South Korea. CH-47, Chinook from the United States. Kamovka-27 from Russia. TAIT-625 Gökbey from Turkey. IIO Tufan from Iran. Augusta Westland, AW-101 from the United Kingdom. Sikorsky UH-60 from the United States. 1666 from Russia. AS Tray 32 Super Puma from France. Bell C H-146 Griffin from Canada. Harbin Z-19 from China. MRH-90 Taipan from Australia. Sikorsky CH-14 from Argentina. Bell AH-1 Super Cobra from the United States. Aero HC-2 Heli Baby from the Czech Republic. Kamovka-50 from Russia. Bell AH-1Z Viper from the United States. S350B2 Esquilo from Brazil. Chang'e Z-18 from China. Kawasaki OH-1 from Japan. Kamovka-52 from Russia. HAL Dhruv from India. Hessa Shahed 285 from Iran. Kaman SH-2 Sea Sprite from the United States. (1000 Mi-28 from Russia. AH-64 Apache from the United States. Eurocopter Tiger from Germany. Kamovka-29 from Russia. KAILAA from South Korea. Danel Royvalk from South Africa. V-22 Osprey from the United States. (1000 Mi-24 from Russia. HAL Light Combat from India. Ike Z-10 from China. S350B3 Escalo from Brazil. PZLW Trzy Sokał from Poland. Karakal EC725 from Indonesia. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to Elite Data for more videos.